Hello guys, how to fix if your GPS not working on your iPhone? If your iPhone GPS is not working properly, then here are the various fixes. You can try and fix your issue if your GPS not working. And the first and initial workaround is turn on airplane mode and wait for 20 to 30 seconds and again turn off airplane mode. This will establish your internet connection. There may be a cause of, so turn on and off network flight mode. The second one is go to settings of your iPhone and tap on privacy and security, and here go to location services and make sure that location services is turned on, and if you have found already turned on, then turn off and again wait for some times, again turn on. Means once turn off and again turn on location services of your iPhone, and check whether your GPS working or not. Some other features under system services may be working. Share my location and other features should be enabled on system and services. The next one more workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone and here tap on general settings and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset again and tap on reset location and privacy. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and again tap on reset setting. This will reset your location and privacy settings and fix issue GPS not working properly. The next one more method to fix this issue is again go to settings of your iPhone and here go to cellular data and make your turn off cellular data and again turn on cellular data. A strong network connection must be in your iPhone to operate GPS connection in your iPhone. And cellular data option, voice and data, choose 5G auto or 5G on also. Don't LTE, choose LTE. So 5G auto or 5G on. Two data modes should be enabled on your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is tap on settings again, tap on general settings and here scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone again and tap on reset and choose reset network settings. Tap on it, unlock your iPhone and again tap on reset network settings and check whether your GPS on your iPhone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on general settings and here tap on date and time. This will set automatically. If this toggle is turned off, then set automatically date and time. Your problem GPS not working definitely be fixed. That's all.